people selling illegal stuff there. Said to me, no, you don't have to film. 3 options for vegetarian, very tasty actually. Traditional harissa here, lot of variety of bread. Here is brick, because the seller is rude, it's called muhajjab, and it's green.
The market was too crowded.
And I got aggressed several times in Paris while filming vlogs. I will use my Ray-Ban Meta. Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog video here from the best city in the world, Paris street life. We are in Belleville and I decided to go to this neighborhood, show you the vibe of Ramadan here in Paris. So let's just dive in. Yeah, so people who don't know, Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims in which they fast each day from the sunrise until the sunset. They don't have to eat, they don't have to drink, they don't have to do any sins. Not give details about that. People get closer to God, they pray more, they do good things, they do more charity, solidarity. And since we are in Paris, there is a big community of Arabs here and Muslim in general. And the city transformed in some neighborhood like Belleville Barbes, where there is a big concentration of this community. So for that reason I chose to go to Belleville, and maybe later we will go to Barbes to show you the vibe there. You see the line of people in front of this boulangerie. It's an oriental boulangerie and there is a lot of people. I think I will not wait. It's an oriental patisserie. This is called zlabia and it's green. Usually it's like this one, orange or yellow. And you have lot of delights. Maybe we could enter. It's so crowded actually. So crowded. Here they have, this food is from Morocco or Algeria, it's called muhajjab. And here it's called kesra, it's a bread, traditional bread, very delicious. And they have also many delights. Yeah, during Ramadan, so during the day when they go, they will eat by their eyes. So they will try to buy this thing, and at the end of the day when they start eating, they can't eat all of it and there is some waste in it also. And people during Ramadan eat a lot of delight, which is not very healthy, but yeah, when you spend the whole day without eating, after when you want to eat, you want to try pastries, you want to try desserts and all that. Bread, yeah, lot of variety of bread, this one. They eat it with the soup, and here they have a soup, I think. And here, delights. Here is brick. And there is fricassee. It's like a donut sandwich. And there you have more bread. We'll buy fricassee. So it's a donut sandwich, special bread. And now he's putting potatoes. There they will put the tuna. And there they will put the egg. And usually they put the harissa, but I told him to don't put the harissa. Yeah, because it's too spicy, the harissa. After saying to me, okay, they said to me, no, you don't have to film. Yeah, so when I entered to the shop to buy the fricassee, I asked the guy the permission to film him doing the fricassee. He said it's okay, but after the manager came and said to me, oh no, you don't have to film, you don't have the right to film. I don't know, guys, I'm trying to promote the culture and to show this for people who don't know what is it. If you are not satisfied about the quality that you are serving to people, don't try to hide it from the camera, because the truth will always get revealed. And it's so bad, this behavior, and I didn't want to buy it at the end because the seller is rude. I like to buy things from people who are happy, who bring joy on the camera and also in real life, and not people like that saying, oh no, don't film. I think it's bad behavior, and if you have something to hide, of course you are this person who don't want to get filmed. If you don't have anything to hide, it will not bother you to get filmed. In the opposite, you will like to get filmed because it will bring ads for you. Yeah, so during Ramadan, a lot of people eat the dates because it's from the Sunnah. When they break the fast, they start by eating dates. She's very sweet. And here we have olives. Yeah, we have there al-ban. It's like a milk, but it's fermented milk. And same, they drink it when they break the fast. Yeah, let's continue the tour to see what they have here. So here same, it's called msamman or hajib. And there what they have. They have lot of delight, sweet. That's what I'm telling you. During Ramadan, people eat lot of sweet and delight. So this one is a restaurant at the origin, and now they are selling only things about Ramadan. Oh, they have salad. It's called grilled salad. So it's tomato, piment, and others that are grilled. This one is called Huriya. It's made by carrots. And this one is called kafteji. So they fry all the vegetables and they make a salad of it. And they are 3 options for vegetarian, very tasty actually. And there we have the tagine. It's Tunisian tagine because people know the Moroccan tagine, it's like a sauce that you eat it with bread, but the Tunisian tagine is different. It's with tuna and eggs. Oh, it's a special bread, chapati mahdi. Here we have the brick, so it's the paper of the brick after we put it and we fry them, and it's become very tasty with tuna and egg. And she's doing the brick here. There we have millefeuille. It's a delight, same. From Tunisia, they eat it in the night. And there you have zlebia and mkharaq, it's called. Yeah, a lot of options here. The vibe here is so cool. So the zlebia is made with the flour and it's put it in the oil and it gets fried. It made this shape. And after they add color, usually it's yellow like this one, the color, and sometimes they add a colorant to be orange or any other color. Oh, they have traditional harissa here. Not like the one that you buy it from the market. You have salads, you have piment, lot of chili, piment and olives. So looks so delicious. We have a lot of dates here. Like I said, eating the date just when you break the fast is a sunnah, so all the Muslims, they start their meal with eating dates. Since they are sweet also, it's healthy. It increases the sugar in the body. During the Ramadan, all the kebab fast food change and they become selling zlebia, mkharaq, and all the Ramadan delights. You can enter to see what they have here. So like I said, many fast food change during Ramadan and they sell delights and sweet. They even sell that. This one was selling pizza and now they are selling draw and sweet and pastries. This one is called draw. Yeah, everything get transformed. Usually it's a butcher shop and they sell now the dates and things for Ramadan. Yeah, even this coffee shop is selling dates and juice, and inside same. A lot of things from Ramadan. We can enter, try to film. So you have many sweets, very tasty actually. Yeah, you have many options. I think they are Algerian or Moroccan. And there is Libya and there. And here it's called a harissa also. You cut it and you eat it. It's a good delight. Lot of it here. Yeah, guys, it's very hard to do this video since I'm fasting. I can't eat, so I have the desire to eat all of it, but I can't do it during the day. It's kind of torture, this video. During the Ramadan, they do special meals. I think soup, harira. It's when you broke the fast, you eat that. The harira, it's a soup famous in Morocco and Algeria. Yeah, even Fanta here is in Arabic. It came from Tunisia and it has different taste than the one in France. Yeah, we have a lot of almonds and nuts. They eat them, not they eat them, but they do pastries with them for the Eid. The Eid that it's at the end of Ramadan, and usually they do pastries, delights during Eid. So they use all those nuts for that. Yeah, so this is called a chami. It's a sweet that they eat it in Ramadan with bread or without. It's very sweet. We finished the tour here in Belleville. Honestly, it was hard to interact with the seller. Most of them didn't want to get filmed. They told me only to film the sweets and all that. It was very hard actually to film it. Also, it was very hard for me to film it since I'm fasting. Now let's move to Barbes, another neighborhood in which there is a lot of Muslims. And see the vibe there. Also today it's the Barbes market. In Barbes I will not film with this camera. I will use my Ray-Ban Meta because there is a lot of people selling illegal stuff there and they don't want to get filmed, and they got arrested several times in Paris while filming vlogs, and those people appeared in the video. They arrested me, so I don't want to take risk this time. I will film it with the Ray-Ban Meta and do a voiceover for this video. So let's move to Barbes.
I arrived to Barbes, and just when you go outside of the station, you will see the market. You will see many sellers in the street. The market was too crowded, but I didn't notice anything special. For the month of Ramadan, the markets are always crowded like that, even outside of Ramadan. Some people complained about the prices. They said that the prices are excessively high during the month of Ramadan. Honestly, I don't know. I didn't see something shocking during my tour in the market. I noticed something very curious. I saw people selling grocery items in the middle of the alley. I'm not sure how they got them, whether they were stolen or not. So that's it. There is nothing special in the market of Barbes. Maybe we can come back next time when it's less crowded to film a dedicated vlog. I hope to see you in another vlog video. Until then, enjoy all what this city is offering. Paris street life.